Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And if you're a mobile gamer, content creator or live streamer searching for the perfect way to share your screen, go live or record in high quality without breaking the bank, meet Duon. Your all-in-one screen mirroring and recording companion for both Android and iPhone. Alright, let's see how we can download Duon. Open your Chrome, search Duon, open the link, choose your platform, Windows or Mac, and hit download. Once it's downloaded, install the app like any regular software. And you're ready to mirror, stream and record. And yes, you have to download it in your Android phone too or iPhone. So let's start with ease. Duon is plug and play. Just connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable, open Duon, and instantly your phone's screen is on your computer. For the first time, if you're opening the Duon for the first time, it will take some time. So no routing, no extra mobile apps, no complicated setup. Plug and play easy. Want to go live? Duon makes streaming simple. Using OBS Studio, you can stream your mobile gameplay to YouTube, Twitch or Facebook smoothly and professionally. Add the Duon window as a source and start streaming in just few clicks. And if you want to use your phone as a webcam, Duon turns your phone into a webcam too. Use either the front or rear camera in OBS, Zoom or Google Meet, perfect for facecam, live streams or video calls.
Take a deep breath in, can you feel that? That's 1 in a billion, wait 1 in a trillion. A life that's been given, a life that's worth living. I don't wanna miss it, I'll get up and get it. Cause I got a vision, I got ambitions. I've got the energy, I'm on a mission. Passion and purpose, they light the ignition. I made a decision.
If you're not ready to stream live, you can record instead. With Duon, you can capture high quality video directly from your phone. Tutorials, gameplay or walkthrough record with synchronized audio and crisp visuals. And there are other things you can do with Duon, like casting the multiple devices at the same time. Great for co-op gameplays, comparisons or tutorial breakdowns. And Duon lets you crop the screen you want to show, to keep your audience focused on the game, not the notifications. And don't worry about compatibility. Duon is available on both Windows and Mac OS. Whether you're Team Apple or Windows, you're good to go. So, whether you're a gamer, a content creator, live streamer, or someone who just loves tech, Duon gives you a pro-level screen mirroring, streaming, and recording all in one app. It's fast, it's light, and it's simple. So download the Duon now and take your mobile content to the next level.